you pay close attention to your health. You need a device that does the same. The EK7090 digital kitchen scale is here to meet that end. Each scale comes with pre-installed batteries and a quick start guide, letting you get right to work. With new and improved sensors, the EK7090 gives you the accurate measurements you need for a balanced diet. All the information is clearly reflected on the LED screen with increased visibility compared to LCD displays. Cycle through ounces, pounds, fluid ounces, grams, and milliliters, as well as density settings for water and milk. To use the tare function, start by placing an empty container on the scale. Next, press the tare button to subtract the weight of the container, then add whatever you are measuring for the correct results. With precision like this, delicious meals and a healthy lifestyle are soon to follow.